Check out this 2000 Lincoln LS. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are CD player, bucket seats, 5-speed AT, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat, V6 cylinder engine, and keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.